Hello, I'm OBX Dude with OBX Places to Stop. Today we're at the Moore Shore Sound Access. That is south on Bay Drive. That is north on Bay Drive. This public beach access. There's your doggy bags for walking your dog. There's a trash receptacle. Please use it. You see these right here? That's for your fishing line. Don't throw your fishing line on the ground. There's the rules of the park. This one's stuffed in here. There's only 3, 4, 5 parking spots. One of them being for the physically challenged. It's got a walkway from the parking spot in case you need a wheelchair access. There's a house on both sides here. There's plenty of room. If you wanted to throw a blanket or something down, maybe have some cheese and crackers, if that's what you choose to do. Maybe some fishing. The fence tells you where it stops. It's got a pier here. Here's Kitty Hawk Bay. Thunder. I got some high back chairs here. I guess that's so the kids can't fall over, I guess. A little pergola. Got a platform down here for your kayaks and your canoes. This may be a place you want to stop on your trip to Kill Devil Hills and the Outer Banks. Always feel free to email me at obxdudemp16@gmail.com. This is a beautiful place here. The owl up there is fake. He needs to keep the pigeons away. Pigeons will move in on you. Thank y'all very much for tuning in, and y'all have a great afternoon. Have a great day. Goodbye.